Crypto security is an area that could really use some improvement here in 2023. We know about all the different exploits and hacks that have happened over time, but the good news is that 2023 has actually started out on a very good note. Now, actually, to start 2023 in January, the first month of the year only saw $8.8 million loss to 24 different crypto exploits. Now you might say, oh yeah, $8.8 million is a lot of money. Yes, I get it. It is. But when we compare that to January of last year, exploiters made away with about $121 million. This actually reflects a 92% decrease year on year when it comes to the amount lost to exploits. Now, again, this is a step in the right direction. We are moving towards a time of better security. Now, the bulk of this exploit can be attributed to one blockchain platform, LendHub DeFi. Last month, hackers stole $6 million from this lending protocol, which ironically marketed itself as the safest decentralized lending platform. Lol. Now, here's the thing. Okay, we can all do better to help prevent these exploits from happening. And really what it comes down to is knowing what you put your money in. Okay, you always want to have a great understanding of where your money is, how it's working for you to make sure that these sorts of exploits do not happen. Now, can it be avoided 100%? No, right? There's always the possibility that something could go wrong. But the safer you are with the money, the more in control you are, the better off you will be. But that's all I got for you guys in this one. 2023 is starting off well. Great prices, lower lost amounts and exploits. That's a good direction so far, but we appreciate you here at the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely make sure you show your support, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.